Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to do a quick practice on hand drawing, and we are going to illustrate how a hand is holding an object or just a closed fist right from the front, something like that. So to begin, I would just recommend an oval shape with very light strokes. This is actually easier than you think. I would also recommend that you should Google some images when you're practicing, but in the meantime, within the oval, just put in 4 light strokes like that, and one arc, a stroke like that, an arc, and another arc like that. So that is the general shape of the lines, and we begin constructing around this. We will form the knuckles, and right here we will, at this in this part, we will first form the thumb, because it is the feature that is it is in the foreground. There's some skin folds right there. It can even go all the way there, but it, again, hand to hand, we are all different, and your hand and another's might actually vary. And then the index finger, I did not draw along those lines necessarily, and again, I should go back and move that over so that we just keep the consistency. And along that line that we had drawn, that line, we will form the index finger. And then the middle finger, and this finger, and then of course the little finger right there. Now again, this will all vary according to the shape of the hand, according to the position. If I just add in a bit of detail right there, some shadow, it is going to give a little more depth to the drawing. And then of course there's all those lines and all those little instances of shading, which will just help to give, as I said, more depth to your illustration. But that is the general idea. Now the fingers might be thicker, might be a little raised, might be more clenched, but you could pretty much draw any hand, any closed fist coming in that direction by using these simple guidelines. I hope this has been of some help. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.